In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set deal probabilities in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your sales process, customizing your deal stages is a vital step toward aligning your pipeline with your unique workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, edit, and configure deal stages in a way that improves your sales forecasting and keeps your team on track. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your dashboard, head to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that gives you access to all the configuration options for your HubSpot account. From here, you'll want to navigate to the data management section in the settings menu. This is where you can customize the core elements of your HubSpot data, including deal stages. Next, click on the Objects drop-down menu. A list of options will appear, and from here, select Deals. This will take you to the section where you can manage everything related to your deal pipeline. Now, let's go over how to create a new deal stage on this page. Look for the option that says Add a Deal Stage. This is typically marked with a plus sign, so it's easy to spot. Click on it, and a window will pop up prompting you to name your new stage. Think carefully about what this stage represents in your sales process. You want the name to clearly reflect its purpose. After naming the stage, you'll also have a chance to fill in additional details, such as specific properties or probabilities that apply to this stage. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your new stage. This step ensures it becomes part of your pipeline. Now, let's talk about editing an existing deal stage. If you need to make changes to a stage that's already in your pipeline, you can click directly on its name. Alternatively, you can locate it under the Update Stage Properties section. If you go this route, simply click on Edit Properties next to the stage you want to adjust. This will allow you to modify details like the stage name, associated properties, or any other settings you need to update. Moving on, let's dive into configuring the overall structure of your deal stages. To do this, navigate to the Configure section. Here, you can thoroughly customize your pipeline to better suit your sales process. For example, you can delete stages you no longer need, add entirely new ones, rearrange the order of your stages to match the flow of your sales funnel, or even rename stages to improve clarity. This flexibility is key to tailoring your pipeline and ensuring it aligns with your team's workflow. Making these adjustments not only keeps your process organized, but also enhances your ability to forecast sales outcomes accurately. Finally, I recommend periodically reviewing and refining your deal stage setup. As your sales processes evolve over time, it's important to ensure your pipeline reflects those changes. Regular updates can help your team stay aligned and maintain efficiency. And that's how you set deal probabilities and customize your deal stages in HubSpot. By following these steps, you've learned how to create, edit, and configure your pipeline to suit your sales workflow and improve forecasting accuracy. If you have questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.